To change your YouTube profile picture on a laptop or computer, follow the step-by-step guide. Open your preferred web browser and go to youtube.com. If you're not already signed in, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page to sign in to your account. Once logged in, click on your channel icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, look for the Customization option on the left-hand menu and click on it. Within the Customization section, click on Branding. Now click on the option Change or Upload. Select a profile picture from your computer. Keep in mind the image should JPG, PNG, or a GIF with no animations. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on the Save or Confirm button. Remember, changes to your profile picture can take a few hours to reflect across YouTube. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.